Welcome to Imperial CAD system. In this video, I'll show you how to use this corner option in wireframe toolbar in CATIA V5 surface modeling. Normally we see corner, we apply corner in 2D, but this option we can apply in 3D itself. For two curves, we need two intersecting curves so that we can apply this corner option. For that, I select this XY plane. I go to sketch. I create one curve. Then to apply that option, we need another curve. I select the same plane here. I go to sketch. I take another profile like this. Arc, which is intersecting on this. Exit. Then, if we want to apply a corner between these two curves, then go for in 3D itself we can use this corner option. See, element 1 is this one, element 2 is this one. Then increase the radius. 4 outputs we get. See, we need this one. If you want this output, you will have to select like this, the orange color, which shows in orange color is the output. Next solution also we can change like this. Then if you go for OK, then we get a corner like this. I double click on that. This side I want, then I go for, see, you can zoom and we can see here we got a corner. I still more increase this radius. See here. Then I want to trim these elements. I don't want. See, I delete this. I go for corner on support. See, profile 1, profile 2. Keep this on. Trim element 1, trim element 2. Then we get a, then the extensions are trimmed and we get a corner between two curves. I go back. Say suppose, see, as these two curves are on the same support, see here we can select a corner on support and we can select the both. Say suppose if these two curves are not on the same support, see, I delete this curve. I take another profile, not on XY plane. In 3D itself, I create a line, point direction. See, I select a point here and direction, right click, Z direction. I increase. Now, two curves on two support. See, this curve is on XY plane, but this is not on XY plane, and this line is somewhat is perpendicular to this arc. Then I want a corner between these two curves. I go for corner on support. I select curve 1, curve 2. See here, okay, has been checked out. If the supports are on different plane, then we can't select this corner on support option. See, in that we have a next option, 3D corner. Select element 1 and select element 2. Now you can see the corner is applied. Like this we can create curves on 3D. trim element 1, trim element 2, then go for OK. See here, this curve lying on xy plane and connected to the line which is parallel to the zx plane, like this. Like this we can create a curves on 3D curves on different planes. I again go to line, same plane. See, I select this point, direction, if I select this, reverse, then if you go for OK, see now, so this arc and this line is on the same plane only, so we can use corner on support only for this and this we get. Now I take a plane, YZ plane, reference YZ plane, parallel through point YZ. I select a point here, then I select this plane, I go to sketch, I create one line like this. See here, now I want to apply corner to these two lines which is not on the same plane. Then go for corner, 3D corner, curve 1 and curve 2, then go for OK. Then that becomes a single curve. See, like this we can create a curves on different support. Then to add thickness or to add material with some dia throughout this 3D curve, we can take a plane, normal to curve, select this curve, select a point here, then select this plane, go to sketch, create any profile, a closure profile. Size should be smaller because here the radius is smaller one. Then go for sweep, select this profile and path. See, like this we can create these tubes on, see, on different planes, on different support. Instead of calling plane, on different support we can create tubes. So for this we should have known this option corner to apply on 3D. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, share and subscribe Imperial CAD System.